This is topic number 4, problem number 13 from homework. We want to maximize this problem or optimize, and I'm going to solve for, let's see, we have a common variable y, so I'm going to solve for z and x here, z and x. So this implies x equals 27 minus y, and this implies that z equals 27 minus y as well. So now I have replacements for both x and z. So I'll replace the x and z here. So what we'll get is p now equals 27 minus y times y, and z now equals 27 minus y. Alright, now p is now in terms of only y, so now I can take derivatives of it. Let me first use the binomial expansion for this. The binomial expansion is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So first, 27 squared is going to be 729 minus 2 times 27, which is going to be 54, and then times y, plus y squared. Then all times this y here. I'll distribute my y. So my function p of y equals 279y minus 54y squared plus y cubed. Now I'm going to take a derivative of this. So we have py, the derivative, and we get 729. 2 times 54 will give us 108y plus 3y squared. Now I'm going to set this equal to 0. And this is going to be a parabola. And we want to find basically the intercepts. So let me try dividing each of these by 3 and see if this simplifies. So 729 divided by 3. Okay. That comes out to be 243. 108 divided by 3 gives me negative 36y, and then this divided by 3 gives me y squared. All this is set equal to 0. Okay, positive here. And let's see, that's a lot of factoring there. I'm going to go ahead and use the quadratic formula. Let's see. Yeah, I'll go ahead and use the quadratic formula, which will be y equals the opposite of b, which is 36, plus or minus the square root of negative 36 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, and c, which is 2, or 3, all over 2 times a, which is 1. Okay, so 36 squared is going to be 1296, and then 4 times 243 is going to be minus 972. Okay, then we'll subtract those two. So minus 1296, and I get 324. So 36 here plus 324 all over 2. Now, I'm going to attempt to take the square root of 324, and it comes out to be 18. So what we have is 36 plus 18, all divided by 2. Okay, now we have two potential values of y. I'm going to add 18 and 36, and we get 54, divided by 2, and that gives us a 27. Now 36 minus the 18, this gives me 18 over 2, which gives me 9. So these are two potential answers for y. Now if y were at 27 and we place it here, we will get x is 0. Since we're told in the beginning that all of these x, y, and z's are all positive numbers, we can't use 27. So let's use 9 instead. Using 9, for y, we get x equals 27 minus 9, and we end up with x equals 18. And we get z equals 27 minus 9, and we get z, see, 27 minus 9, and we get z equals 18. So our p, x, y, z will be formed from 18 times 9 times 18. And that will give us 29/16.